Once again, welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for School Morning Assembly of 15th June. And first of all, national news. Delhi got relief on Tuesday after 13 days as temperature dips below 40 degrees. Prophet Raw. Two lawyers file plea in Supreme Court seek action against sacked BJP leader. Uttarakhand government tabled rupees 65,571.49 crore budget for 2022 to 23. CNG customers in Mumbai to soon get fuel delivered at doorstep. Delhi ramped up measures to tackle spike in COVID cases. Maharashtra reported two more cases of Omicron subvariant on Tuesday. And now some international news. WHO's emergency meet to assess if monkeypox global health emergency. The European Union turned to Israel for gas supplies after Russia blackmails. Olympic skier created Guinness World Record by skiing 154.49 meters on rail grind. And now some sports news. IPL to have 2.5 month window in ICC's next FTP cycle, BCCI Secretary Shah. IPL media rights new high for brand IPL e-auction gets rupees 48,390 crore, BCCI's Shah. England versus New Zealand second test highlights. England defeated New Zealand by 5 wickets to clinch series. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.